This is a video about breast augmentation and my new breasts. First time having implants.
1, 2, 3.
Hello, boys and girls. I am Soraya Sobada, the queen of healthy Latin cooking, coming to you with raccoon eyes and no makeup. Because I really wanted to come to you all and really just check in a little bit. I got breast surgery. And so last week, the 24th, was 1 month of post-op recovery. I felt it was time to match up and really take that step into more identity as woman, into womanhood. I tried to work my natural breasts as far as I could. And then I got to an awareness in my transition as a transgender Latina that I really wanted to have some real girls. And so I got real girls. So that's another reason why I wanted to come real natural with a very showing off the girl's dress. I never knew what having implants would feel like. I was resistant because I have had enough surgeries. As you can still see with my scars, if you've seen on the videos, I had the full body lift, which was so intensive. I didn't know what to expect with this surgery. So I want to say that it wasn't necessarily painful, but restrictive. So I want to talk about that. So I went to Dr. Adam Perry, which is part of my Northwell group of surgeons and providers for transgender care, and I saw another trans woman. She had gotten augmentation and she had a really nice, natural, beautiful breasts. And that was enough for me to decide. Plus his reviews in Google and everything else was that he was a very caring doctor and had done really good work for a lot of cisgender women as well. And so I went through the surgery, and it was February 24th, the birthday of my sister, who used to tease me when I was a little boy. She used to call me Fat Titty Mama. So now I am really a titty mama. Little fat too, because I don't know, I put on weight. And I really wanted to come to the camera too, so you could see all of my body at this highest weight I've been at in years. But still got the goods going on. But I really got to take off at least 10 pounds. So I just wanted to come and show it all and not be like, oh my God, I don't know if it's hormones, inactivity. I'm sure it's all of that attribute to the weight gain. But I really wanted to just come natural. You see? Hey! No makeup, no face tape, no wig, nadas. But raccoon. Raccoon Puerto Rican transgender. And really, the star of the show today is not me, but my girls. And Dr. Adam Perry, I want to thank him. He did a great job. Male doctor sizes you up, measures you out. Oh, I don't have a problem with that. Whatever, he's a good-looking doctor. Maybe, I don't know what he looks like beneath the mask, but it's okay to me. Gentleman, I could feel his professionalism and his expertise from afar as he examined me. No, really. He was totally cool. But the follow-up nurse, Kelly, I'm in love with her. No, in a professional way. I like men. So nice to have aftercare, a woman examining and keeping up with you and updating you. I just think that was really cool. I wasn't expecting that. Very nice touch. It makes sense. But anyway, she was amazing. The whole staff was amazing. All fabulous. I came into surgery 38B. And I think these are 38C, maybe leaning towards maybe D. It's almost 5 weeks. I think I might still be swollen, but these are mine. I love them. They're beautiful girls. And I'm going to unzip her a little bit. I am. And I'm going to cover the nipple the best that I can and show you. Now, I have an incision here. Now, when I got my breast lift from Dr. Siamak Aga, and I had my arm lift as well, there's an incision that goes all the way through my armpit that corrected the loose skin that I had on my arm. Do you see? So there's that incision that comes from the armpit down, under, and then he lifted the loose skin and did a fat transfer. Oh my God, I'm so raccoon. Oh my God. This is my mother's side of the family. This is my father's side of the family. So I had the incision here already. And it's been healing quite nicely. But you could see there's tape, right? And then the doctor, Dr. Perry, the surgeon, used the same incision line to then place the breast augmentation. I know I have like an ID card for them. They're two different sizes because one of my breasts was always bigger than the other before surgery. Like, kind of see it there. Kind of get that angle, yes, you can see some volume. And they need time to soften up, right? So, I'm going to just really cool. Oh, I feel so sexy. Zipper the girls up. They're zippered. Maybe later on, some other video, I'll give you like full throttle. Let me tell you this part. That you see this dress, right? So cute. She's a party dress for sure. But that's not true because I might wear her out. Go walking with her by Hudson River Park. Because I am like so proud of these girls. They have a name. I won't reveal. And I love how they have a nice form without any bra. And that's what I was looking for. They will kind of get teardroppy, which is cool. I'm all in favor. For 6 weeks, they have to stay in a bra. 6 weeks is when I can get back to full activity. You could not raise your arms up. You had to keep them low. So reaching for anything in the cabinets here was a problem. It was like, oh, I live alone, right? I'm very alone. That's okay. I have all of you. But I just want to just say that 4 weeks was definitely keeping a bra on 24/7, a wireless bra. Now I could wear a bra with wire, but still keeping it on 24/7. Take a shower, you take it off, of course, but keeping it on. It makes sense. I'm sure the stitches and the way it's stitched to the muscle has to fully heal. And you can let your girls hang out. Can't wait. Other things, if you're used to sleeping on your sides, forget about it. You cannot sleep on your sides. You have to sleep on your back. That was probably the thing that was hardest for me in this surgery, was having to sleep on my back. Cannot sleep on my side still. Watch your salt intake like any other surgery, just to reduce swelling. What else can I say about this? What I can say on an emotional level is that I asked myself, why did I wait so long to have this surgery? Because it has prompted me to make a legal name change, to finally do it. Having my breasts gave me more of a passport to identifying as a woman. And when I go out for walks now, I've been like living the fantasy of wearing some really cute little t-shirts that I have, like Felix the Cat t-shirts, and just going out and working it, you know. And guys have been, even before I had breasts, they were cool, you know, like, hey, hi. You know, construction guys, I've been talking about them in my videos here at Hudson River Park. There's this place called Little Island. The maintenance landscaping guys, I see them, and I'm always like, when I'm at the pier, I'm happy. And so that exudes, I guess, and I'm just grateful to be alive and to be in my journey as a transgender woman, living in New York City, right? Shit, that's hot. And getting my surgery, and my girls are fine, and I'm healing. I know for me, and probably the case for any trans woman, that you would probably need to stop your HRT therapy while you have, you know, your breast recovery. And I noticed when I started back on progesterone that they really hurt my breasts, because progesterone is progesterone. You do the research about progesterone. Well, I'll say what it does for me when I didn't have breast implants. That they do cause some pain to the breast, because the breasts are popping like Jiffy popcorn. You're gonna feel something, girl. Little popcorn kernels. The heat's coming and they're pa pa pa. But you know it's a good pain, right? Because you know, like, hey, something's going on up there. But with surgery, I felt I'm gonna hold off on progesterone because these are healing on a physical level on their own. I don't want to add anything to it to complicate the healing. This is my recovery process. This is me with my girls. So I just want you to see the real person, a person born male with a vicious eating disorder and drinking and diet pills and depression and all that stuff. And in recovery, it's 32 years. This last week of, you know, not overeating, no sugar, no alcohol, no cigarettes. I live a very sober lifestyle, hence my last name, sobriedad. And I got my girls with me. So girls just want to have fun, something Cindy Lauper. Let us know very nicely. And I intend to have a lot of fun this summer with these girls. So, may you live your best life. May you live your best self a day at a time. May you live your best self a day at a time, as authentic and real as possible. And I'm not asking you to come to the camera with raccoon face and no makeup and all of that. Nothing. This is me. And you know what? This is the best me I've had in all my life. And it took me to 62 years of age to tell you that and to really feel that. So send some good energy to my girls that are still healing. I send good energy to you all the time. Okay? So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.